If you are looking for how to insert copyright symbol in MS Word, then don't skip this video. So first head to the insert and on the right side click on symbol and click more symbols, and in the font section you need to select norm tags, and in the subsect you need to select Latin 1 supplement, and here you will see that symbol copyright. So click on that, and you can also remember the character code 00A9 and click insert and close it. Select it and make it bigger. Second method is you need to type 00A9 and press Alt X all together. So you can see symbol is inserted. So third method is the shortcut key. You need to press Ctrl Alt and C for cat, and click all together. This is what you can easily type insert copyright symbol. So with these three methods you can easily insert copyright symbol in MS Word.